Hi guys, back with part 2, just to show you that I'm walking away. It's 2020 respawn, so 20 steps back and count to 20, and then you're back in the game. My run cam 2 scope failed on me on this game, so the whole footage is from head camera. I was running 2 cameras on the day, a run cam helmet cam and a 4K GoPro. Once again, we've got to defend the flag and stop the enemy from retrieving it. The whole place is full of snipers and sneaky fellas. Knife silent kills are in game mode here. Mr. Greenfingers plays here, and he's lurking about today. I'm gonna say it now in case I forget, but Mr. Greenfingers gets 8 knife kills today. I'm hoping he doesn't creep up on me. I also want to give a shout out to a guy called Vinny who done all the upgrades and mods on my gun. With all the upgrades, the gun is firing a lot further. Graded to 11.1. It's firing just under a joule, which is the Irish legal limit for Airsoft. The gun I'm using today is a tactical Lancer. I will be doing a review on the gun at some point on my YouTube channel. Forgot to mention as well that the enemy team, they're all experienced players and they played really well today.
Hit! One, two.
SneeZe was hit to my right as well, so he's taken 20 steps back and he's now back in the game. And here he is tearing off. The two of us are working together now on the right hand side. This cowboy is down on the left. We don't have to charge him, we just have to stop him from taking the flag, which is just up ahead of us here. All of a sudden, a load of BBs come flying in my direction. That's why I ducked, but they ricocheted off the tree. Believe it or not, that same Targaryen there in the helmet. This guy was great fun all day. He was creeping up on people all day trying to do a knife kill. Other times then, he was doing a Ragnar Lothbrok.
Lads are sneaking into the right flank. Just as before I got hit. Oh, hit! Huh?